계속 엄마를 줘. 엄마를 자고 계산했어요. 네.
Teachers are the second parents of them, and we have very big responsibilities to care, to love, to teach educations, to give educations, and to show the right path to them. Fairy tales have been short ever since. I'm a teacher of convent school. I'm teaching different subjects like science, social study, English and Tibetan language lessons and explain to them and doing the exercise. After finish the exercise, I will give them the homework, and tomorrow next morning I will check the homework.
That's why we have to translate them into Nepali language for them to understand that what we learned today. रमेशले कपी गर्ने स्पेलिङ मिस्टेक नगर्ने छिटो
My duty as a manager.
Okay, we'll do area. Okay. So you know this whole thing is 8. Yeah. And you know this small piece is 3. So this side has to equal this side. So this is 3. What should this be? 5. 5. Good. Good job.
9 कहाँ हो त्यसरी लेख्ने एकचोटि
Nice.
5 हो यो 5 देख्दैन यो 5 यहाँ पनि 5 हुन्छ
So what's the area?
अनि यहाँलाई 5 5 अब यहाँ यो चाहिँ जम्मा चाहिँ पुरै चाहिँ 9 अरे अब 5 मा 4 जोड्दा 9 हुन्छ त्यसले 4 यहाँ 4 यहाँ पनि 4 यो 4
Finish? Good job.
4 3 जा 12
That way out. Good. So what's the area of the whole thing? Remember we did last time?
5 जा 14 जा 40 अनि अब यो सब जोड्ने
So you have the area of the whole square, right? Instead of doing it this way.
Breakfast, dinner, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Lunch and dinner.
Lunch, come on, and wait.
yeah
Lên campaign nào.
Lama Jigme himself is from a very remote area from the central part of Nepal. So Lama Jigme know about the situation of this remote area by the lack of electricity, by the lack of modern education, by the lack of sanitation, all these things. So Lama Jigme, his main aim and object to set up, build up a monastery, and so that he can bring the very poor children to stay here and learn something along with Buddhist education, Buddhist philosophy.
Live. Good. Eva?
Yeah. One mungu. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mungu.
Mugu?
Okay.
Really?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Soko Saba.
The main goal of the monastery to make the monks expecting their routine, so following every day their duties. If they don't do that and explaining, they have to. Because they are children, they need someone's guiding their growth, explaining what is good, what is bad. If something was wrong, they need to understand and have a person explaining why.
Hi, this is the Dharma class. We have class Monday to Friday at 3:30 to 4:30. It's Kandathurma and it's made from wood flour. After we make it, we are going to paint to offer for puja.
And then there are many kind of shapes we learn from teachers. And in the book there are many kind of shapes. Yeah, we learn it.
After we make it, we are going to
Chaptung kholo yube jabutung. Chindung kaba sangba sanjitung. Gangla gangdu dila dirdumbi. Chunba tiri sila chak chalu. Om Mani Padme Hum.
Yeah.